Welcome back. Well, viewers, fresh and consequential allegations have been made over the purported breakdown of law and order in Punjab. Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari has written to Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. In the letter, Gadkari mentions 2 incidents of violence against the NHAI officials during their project works in Punjab. Gadkari reminds Bhagwant Mann that filing of FIRs has also been slow and also adds that an ultimatum that if the situation does not improve, he would have no option other than to cancel 8 ongoing NHAI projects in Punjab. The BJP has now lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party and Bhagwant Mann over this.
ऐसा है कि सारा ध्यान पापी आप कट्टर बेईमान का तो जो किंगपिन है शराब घोटाले के उनको निकालने में लगा है। तो जो पंजाब की जनता है उसकी चिंता वहां के मुख्यमंत्री को तो है नहीं। और मैं समझता हूं कि केंद्र सरकार और केंद्र सरकार के मंत्री प्रतिबद्ध हैं कि जनता की सेवा करें। इसलिए ये चिट्ठी बड़ी ही महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि ये याद दिलाएगी शराब घोटाला करने के लिए या पंजाब में भ्रष्टाचार करने के लिए जनता ने आपको नहीं चुना। जनता की सेवा करना ही सर्वोपरि है, यही आपका धर्म है।
So 2 specific incidents have been mentioned in that letter, which is now in the middle of this controversy. Sagrika is joining us with that letter that the Union Minister has written to Bhagwant Mann. Yes, Sagrika.
And this letter was written by Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari on the 9th of August. And he addressed the Punjab Chief Minister and he said, and I quote from the letter, NHAI is developing greenfield and brownfield national highway corridors, including Delhi-Amritsar-Katra Expressway in the state of Punjab. In this regard, I want to highlight serious safety concerns of NHAI officers, contractors and their staff, as well as issues related to pending land acquisition matters. He goes on to say that he was informed about 2 untoward incidents which occurred recently on the Delhi-Katra Expressway projects. In one of the incidents in Jalandhar district, an engineer of the contractor was brutally assaulted. He attached the photographs also with the letter and said that the FIR has been registered in this regard. Strong action is required to be taken against the perpetrators of the attack. Then he talks about the other incident where he mentions that in another incident in Ludhiana district, the project camp of the contractor of Delhi-Katra Expressway was attacked by miscreants. Also photos attached who threatened the engineers to burn the project camp and their staff alive. However, FIR has still not been filed and the miscreants have not been arrested despite a written request by NHAI officers. Then he requests the state government of Punjab to immediately take corrective measures, file FIRs and take strong action against the perpetrators in order to prevent such incidents in future and to restore the confidence of NHAI officers and staff of the concessionaries. Then he also said that on the 15th of July, he had reviewed the progress of national highway projects in Punjab with Public Works Minister of Punjab and concerned officers of the NHAI and the state government. During the meeting, it was assured that pending issues related to land acquisition and law and order would be resolved on priority. However, it has been brought to my notice that no progress has been made in this regard and the situation has further worsened. So the Union Minister is writing to the Chief Minister of Punjab, raising serious concerns over the safety and security of NHAI officials working on key road development projects in the state.
Okay, so the political face-off continues. In the latest, the Punjab